All right, now let's talk about the last example of the day. I feel kind of sad because I was getting used to this. It feels like a movie star or something. Anyway, so what we're trying to do is find the average of the absolute value of x minus 4 in the interval 0, 6. Okay, by the definition that we just gave, this is f average is 1 over, let me write it down again with symbols, b minus a integral a to b f of x dx. All right, so let's go ahead and plug in what we have here. B is 6, A is 0, so you have the integral from 0 to 6 f of x dx, and for us f of x is absolute value of x minus 4. So it's the absolute value of x minus 4 here dx, and we've already calculated that to be 10. Go to the previous page, I think it's page 8. So then this is 10 over 6, 5/3. So what does that mean? It means that if your function is constant, it should be 5 over 3 to give you the same integral as absolute value of x minus 4 between 0 and 6. Now, that's all for the lecture. I wanted to remind you a few things for tomorrow. 1, do bring the book, but don't use it unless I tell you so. Don't bring any notes, especially these notes, because you're in a sense tested on them. I will provide a scratch paper, so you don't need to bring something else. And if you want, sit with 4 people, 4 of your friends, because we're going to do this in groups of 5. Now, make sure you're logged in the beginning of class. I'm talking about the VIA response. And then what we're going to do is we're going to answer, like I'm going to ask you questions, you answer it on your own first. And again, I want your word on it. And then you get to talk with everybody else in your group and you answer the same question. And we'll do that maybe 3 to 4 times. Those questions will be both conceptual and some calculations. Okay? If you got any questions, send me emails today so that I can make a frequently asked questions list, and we'll see how it goes. I hope it's going to be a fun experiment for you.